Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about three altcoins, three cryptos that are absolutely poised to skyrocket. They're up now. They're continuing to go up. These are really, really great ones, and I'm happy to be bringing you this video. Drop in the comments below if you want me to continue to do these types of videos for you where I highlight 3 or 4 particular cryptos that are moving up or maybe in a particular sector or things like that. Also, if you want, drop in the comments below. Let me know some cryptos that you would like me to cover. I may incorporate them into a video like this. I like doing these videos where I'm highlighting a couple of different cryptos and coins and tokens, things, because it makes it fun for me. It's new content. It's good stuff. So let me know, A, do you like what I'm doing? Or B, drop in the comments below. Give me a couple of cryptos, some suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. As always, thanks for your support. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Remember, I have my Patreon group. Here's the thing I would say. The reason I talk about this in every video, really quite simply, is I want to help those that need help. So if you're interested in looking for help with your portfolio, you need guidance from somebody, you want to see my portfolio, what a winning portfolio looks like, you can join and cancel at any time. Look, you can join. $20 is for 1 month. By the way, that's less than it costs you to go out to dinner, honestly. And you can join. If you don't like it, you can cancel if you want. I have a Discord here as well, private community if you don't want to be alone in this crypto journey. All right, so before we get into the 3 particular altcoins that I have for you today, we need to talk about kind of the overall state of the union. The overall market is really kind of flat and or just a little bit down right now. Bitcoin at 48,609, Ethereum at 3230. Really not hugely surprising to me. August historically has not been an overly great month in really any of the equity markets, but including crypto in the crypto markets, things, etc. But we had a pretty major shock to us in the first 2 or 3 weeks where we had some really massive bull runs that we put together there, where Bitcoin moved, out of the 30s and into the high 40s. It did peak over 50,000, has pulled back a little bit. Ethereum has got that kind of 3,500 and then 4,000 next level resistance, things of that nature. When we start to get some pretty nice bull runs put together here, where we're moving forward, I think that we'll see everything start to really, really move nicely. Okay. Ironically, the 3 that I have for you today, when I looked at them to kind of get ready for this video, they were all up dramatically higher than what I'm about to show you. So here we go. Okay, so the first one that I have for you right now is Avalanche. Avalanche is currently ranked number 20. And what I like to do here is show you where you can buy these. Okay, so Avalanche, the markets where you can get Avalanche, you can get it on Binance. I'm just highlighting a couple of the big ones. KuCoin, you can get it on crypto. And there's CoinEx, just kind of moving forward down. Yeah, so those are the biggies. And of course, obviously, if you're in another part of the world, some of these others are biggie for you as well. Okay, so there's your major markets. Okay, so let's look at wallets that it can work with. There you go. Okay, so that looks interesting there. Okay, I was looking for holders and I don't see it here. It's interesting. I wonder why the holder is not here. Interesting. Okay. Moving on. All right, it's up 4 point. Well, it just dropped back a little bit. It's right at currently trading at $50. And in the last 7 days, it's been moving up for right around a low of around 41.37, kind of nicely moving up. By the way, it's doing this really kind of against the grain. Bitcoin and Ethereum are really not doing as much. And, Avalanche has continued to really put together some nice movement. And so being at number 20, I want to see something real quickly here. So like in the last, see, Avalanche is up 10% in the last 7 days, whereas you've got, Ethereum and Bitcoin really flat, right? So it's going against that proverbial kind of grain. It's up despite the other guy. So why is it moving up? Well, here it is. Avalanche is soaring because it's onboarding blue chip DeFi protocols, and its tokens keep soaring even as other coins are retracing. So some key takeaways here. It's AVAX token is up 341% in the last 30 days. Crazy. It's attracted blue chip DeFi projects, Aave, Curve, and SushiSwap. Several other DeFi projects in the Avalanche ecosystem are likely contributing to the growth. Okay, so competition between in layer 1 protocols keeps heating up. One project in particular, Avalanche, making big strides to secure its place top. I like this particular play, and I am definitely thinking about picking up some of this. Even though it's at its high, I might wait to see if we get a pullback a little bit. Because right here, right now, it's trading pretty high. Let's see, year to date. Yeah, see, like our high back here was 58. So we hit another 54 there about 3 days ago. So we pulled back from that down into the, the 40. Can't quite get into there, but you get my point. So we're pretty close to the all-time high. Again, if you're looking at it kind of long term, nothing wrong with that, right? And which is how I tend to look at things. I tend to look at things very long-term-ish. Okay, long-term-ish. There's a phrase for you. So this one's very interesting to me. I think a lot of really cool stuff is coming to this. It is a POS smart contract blockchain. So let's see. It's backed by some pretty significant players. That's pretty interesting. All right, let's see. So Avalanche launched Avalanche Rush, a $100 million liquidity mining incentive program. Oh, that's kind of designed to bring the top blue chip DeFi protocols to the network. Very cool. Okay, this one I actually like this one. Okay, so take a look at it, run it past your proverbial smell test, if you will, and see what you like. But there's some good stuff here. I think Avalanche is one that I wanted to highlight. Okay, let's move on. Enjin. I am actually a really big fan of Enjin in the NFT space. If you're not familiar with them, we're going to look at it real quickly. Market, where you can buy. COINBASE just got listed on COINBASE a little while ago. Ooh, can't talk today. So COINBASE, crypto. Yeah, I knew it was on crypto as well. There's some other ones, so that's where you can pick it up. Holders. It currently has. It's like we've got approximately 132,000 or more holders. 255,000 watch lists, sitting at number 69 out of all of the top cryptos of top 100. And kind of if you look at it, overview. So what are they? They provide an ecosystem of interconnected blockchain-based gaming products. Enjin's flagship offering is the Enjin Network, a social gaming platform through which users create websites, clans, chat, host virtual item stores. Okay. It allows game developers to tokenize in-game items on the Ethereum blockchain. What makes Enjin unique? According to the co-founder, is unique in that every token minted with the Enjin platform, the company's blockchain asset development platform launched in 2020, is directly backed by ENJ, giving in-game items real-world liquidity. Similarly, the company's focus on adoption, saying imagines a future in which millions of gamers use digital items backed by Enjin coin without even knowing it exists. Cool. It's pretty cool. All right. So here's a piece of content. Oh, no, excuse me. Here's their website. Next gen NFTs. Really like what I'm seeing here. Oh, by the way, this is a pretty interesting deal. Social network Blockster has collaborated with Enjin to reward 400,000 early users with NFTs. Blockster is doubling down on the NFT hype via partnership with Enjin. Again, some really cool stuff. So if Enjin's not on your radar, you guys know I'm a huge fan of the NFT space, major fan of the NFT gaming space, the play to earn space and all that kind of stuff. Enjin, I think, is definitely one that is worth looking at, and it is a really cool, coin. Okay, so let's take a look at the last one I've got for you. It is Terra. Terra has been on a tear lately, pun intended. Definitely moving, doing really well, up 8%. Plus right here, it is now the number 12th ranked out of all of the 11,000 plus cryptos out there. If at number 12th, I want to look at something real quickly here. At number 12, you can see, look, in the last 7 days, it's up 24%, almost 25%, and it's up 9% right now to 34.27. Really impressive stuff. Where can you buy it? You can buy it pretty much wherever you want. Let's see here. Binance, Huobi, crypto.com, and some others, as you can see. Okay? Depending upon where you're at in the world, one of those may be very relevant to you. Okay, so pretty straightforward, easy to get. Again, currently trading there. I want to look at the overview year to date. Okay, that's what I thought. It's pretty much trading right now at its all-time high. Okay, so if you're kind of looking for a price point, might wait to see if you get a little bit of a pullback. Again, not investment advice, right? Wait to see if we get a little bit of a pullback from the overall kind of market conditions. But look at that, man! It was $6 back in June. Man, oh man! I was aware of it back then. I didn't buy it. Kind of kicking myself now. That's 5x. Almost 5 to 7 times, 5x, yeah, 6 times, yeah, 6 times 5 is 35. Yeah, there you go. Don't do math in public, right? All right, so looking good there. All right, so let's look at a real piece of content. Terra token sets another new all-time high. Luna broke 34 for the first time today. Okay, just setting this new all-time high. It's up around 100% since August 15th. 100%. Oh, man. Terra is a programmable money network that primarily focuses on stable coins. Key projects on Terra include the Synthetics platform, Mirror Protocol, Anchor DeFi platform for earning yield on stable coins. Luna is used to stabilize the price of stable coins, incentivizing validators and mine transactions. It's very cool. This is one that has been on my kind of radar. You might want to take a look at it and see if it passes your proverbial kind of criteria. But this one's interesting, and it is tearing it up. And I think it's going to continue to do well, especially when the overall market turns and we start moving. I think it's going to continue to roll up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.